Hello everyone. This is God's Beats, and I'm here to show you how you can export your project as MP3 or WAV, anything you want of the two. But if you haven't subscribed to my channel, you can subscribe to my channel and click the bell button. Then you'll be notified about the videos that I'll be uploading. If this is the project and you're done with everything, mixing and so on, as we are going to use this as an example, you come here in the corner, top right corner, in the top corner here, and you check on this file, the file button. Replace file. You will see that there is new project, then new from template, open and so on. But what we want here is to export, so we come on export, or you can replace Control E, replace your. So here you're going to change the folder you want this audio to go to. So you want to save somewhere here on your desktop, and you name the project that you can name as hip hop tutu, anything you want, then you save. So here comes to export to hip hop, another page here. So they are saying file format. So here you're going to just change the file format. If you want MP3 or OGG, you can change. So you have three options: WAV, OGG and MP3. So you can change, or you don't. If you don't want, but it is better you export in WAV, then use a converter to change from WAV to MP3. So the reason behind that is to get quality sound. So export as WAV, then here you place start, and here we go. So that's how it exports. Now after exporting, you place cancel, then there, done. So after that, you can pause this project and check your desktop and see. And so if you reach the desktop, you will check and see where is it. So we named it as hip hop 22. So there we are. So it will start playing. You will hear that sound. So there, you're done with exporting. Thank you. So if you haven't subscribe to my channel, and if you have any question about LMS or production, you can drop me a message down there, and I'll be there to make a video. I'll make a video and explain to you much or more. Then thank you for watching.